Okay guys, welcome to the first installment of I don't know how many of this random thing, which is going to be not a tutorial, because it's not a tutorial, it's a list of things I usually consider when mixing / recording stuff, because I believe it's going to be helpful to some of you guys, especially if you like recording covers or recording your own music and stuff like that. So, first things first, and I'm going to get real serious with you. Save your session. Whatever you do, save your session. I don't care if you save your sessions every 5 seconds, every 5 minutes, every 5 whatever. You can do it whenever you like, but just save your sessions. Every change you make, or at least that's how I roll, every change you make, save your session. It's going to save your life, alright? Down the road, it's going to save your life. Second, please have a backup, alright? The other day I was mixing Butterfly from Digimon Adventure, and I made the terrible mistake of just not having a backup save. And I saved over the thing. I closed Reaper. I went to do whatever stuff I was doing. And then I remembered, though I should, I don't know, continue my mix and stuff like that, and I had lost everything. Absolutely everything. Alright? So please have a backup save. Please. A backup folder where you can't exactly touch it, but just have one, just in case, alright? It's going to save your life too. Okay, now to the, I'm going to say to the body and soul of this thing. As a third piece of advice, please, pretty please, keep your waveforms in mind. What do I mean with this? Let's just say, I have a track right here, okay? I'm going to record something random. Alright, we have my something random. As you can see, the track itself, the waveform, is rather balanced. Yeah? I didn't go up to 0. As you can see right here, I didn't reach the threshold, and whatever DAW you use, whatever program you use to process audio is going to tell you if you reach that threshold. But please, pretty please don't. Save the life of your mixer, because if you go, if you get to the threshold and you say, I don't care, I'm going to sing whatever, and the mixer sees this, they're going to throw a fit, or they are going to have a stroke, or whatever. Let me just show you. You saw that, right? I went right and beyond the threshold here, and my program obviously went nuts, and it said like, no, please don't do that again, please. So you can see here the waveform is kind of square, right? You can actually see that the peak kind of cut in here. That has a very logical explanation, and that's because our computers kind of try to interpret. I'm sorry about my pronunciation. Anyway, it tries to create a drawing, so to speak, of the sound wave I'm producing with my mouth right now. So once that wave goes through and beyond that threshold, the program, the computer, doesn't exactly know how to interpret it. It doesn't know how to translate it. So it pretty much cuts it, because there's nothing to translate. That's the thing. You shouldn't go through and beyond that threshold. Please save the life of your mixer. I'm going to say that a lot. The second thing that could easily happen when you're recording is, I'm going to try to imitate it here by moving my cable. Of course, if I arm the track for recording, that would be nice. Please don't forget it. And right now it doesn't work, but anyway, I'm going to try to do it with my mouth, which is something like... Well, it doesn't work right now. Anyway, you can see right here that it kind of peaked, right? That's something we can actually work with post-production wise. But if the thing goes right through and beyond the threshold, as I was saying, and it repeats a lot during your recording, I should advise you to re-record the lines that were affected by this, because it's easy to fix when it's one or two, but if it's the whole waveform, then it's not going to work that well. So yeah, that's about it for now. It's going to be a couple of short videos, so random stuff. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm going to try and answer them properly. I don't want to go that technical when it comes to things, but I just want to help you guys. So yeah, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. That would help a lot, and I'll see you next time. Jana!